Hey guys, what's up? Today I want to show you how to cook the perfect scrambled egg. This is an incredibly easy method. Let's get to work. Scrambled eggs has got to be one of my all-time favorites. So to create the best scrambled egg, all you need is good quality eggs. That's incredible, right? That incredible little thing is all you need. You don't need any cream, no milk, none of that nonsense. The method I'm about to share with you today is so easy. You only need eggs and butter. So with this method, you will need good eggs. Pick up the free range organic. They're going to give you the best flavour. And you saw it. So get yourself a pan, saucepan, frying pan, it's up to you. You're going to gently heat the pan up over medium heat. You don't want the pan too hot. If the pan gets too hot, the eggs will seize and overcook really quickly. The goal is to gently cook the eggs to keep that delicate texture. When the pan comes up to temperature, add in the butter. Just warm the butter until it starts to melt. Now add in your eggs. About 3 or 4 eggs will do for one portion. Scrambled eggs only takes about 5 minutes to cook at most. The secret to making the perfect scrambled egg is to keep the eggs moving all the time, so then they cook nice and evenly and you keep that delightful creamy texture. When the eggs are about a minute away from being done, take off the heat completely. The residual heat will continue to cook the eggs. And to finish it off, add some butter and salt and pepper to taste. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this scrambled eggs episode. Don't forget to drop us a like and please subscribe to my cooking YouTube channel. It's completely free and it means so much. And go follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. Take care guys, see you next time.